podcast, Radio and Stuff.
Welcome to podcast Radio and Stuff. Another exciting day with a beautiful episode. I'm excited about today. The guest that we have. Sizombuza ngama article akawabhala ngami.
Uzo account.
Yes.
Hello everyone, welcome to it. It's podcast Radio and Stuff. I'm Tobeo Kuluse, he's Ntokozo Chapa. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe on this channel, like this video and comment on this episode because content that is coming up, you can't wait. Trust me, you cannot wait because it's that exciting. Ntokozo, today we've got someone that we've known for a very long time that loves radio.
Yeah, and we're just gonna speak about radio. Ukubona ukuthi this is a radio person. Uthe manje into ama-camera kayijwayele kumele enze kanjani. Ngoba wazi indaba ye-microphone.
Yes.
Yeah, and yeah, that is us radio people. We just love the microphone.
100%.
Yeah.
We have someone that has done radio as a radio presenter, as a programs manager, as a producer.
Yeah.
He's been a journalist on newspaper, and now he's a communications manager. We have Zoa Kambata with us. Mtia. Welcome.
So, thanks, good to be here.
Indoda yasenkandla.
Oh, wasenkandla.
Baye bathi abantu abaningi mangabusho kanjalo ukuthi phela inkandla senivele nikhulume ngayo nje just because kwavela umsholozi. Umsholozi
Inkandla.
wasenkandla nonke senaba wasenkandla. Yes.
Semfongozi.
Injalo nje.
Angithi emfongozi ingakasosobala.
Cha.
Khona.
As far as I know, uSosobalo wasenqutha ke wasenkandla. Yeah. Inkandla yethu ukuthi inkulu nje na inkandla yethu masingayixoxa eyayo because kufana umuntu ozokutshela uhlala eThekwini yabo. Thothi lo muntu uhlala mhlawumbe eMbumbulu. Wena wazi iThekwini North. Wayibothi iqhelelana kangakanani lezi. So nenkandla into kanjalo. Kodwa umuntu uzothi usho ukuthi ungakamsholozi kude kakhulu nakithi lapho.
You know, speaking of inkandla, there was a time engaye ngatshelwa umuntu ukuthi awugoogle inkandla. Ngaleso sikhathi mawugoogle kwakuvele uGoogle uthi Jacob Zuma's homestead.
Yes.
Very describe kanjani.
I remember that.
So yakho nathi masivela manje. Okay, mase kukhona abaziyo manje because it's not like siyavela. You guys, I'm sure you would have known. Abantu abangaziyo nje bayazi ukuthi ngwasenkandla. Qhamuka ngamanje ngoba sekukhona ukuthi ngwasenkandla. So I agree with Google ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi ngoba there was really nothing much happening that side. So yeah, Msholozi was back. Wow.
Yeah.
Sure.
Inkandla.
Welcome, Buddy. Thank you
so
for
much.
coming.
Thank you so much, guys, for the opportunity and for the invite. Glad to be here on this platform. And it's nice to watch what you guys produce. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu bhuti wami.
Thokoza Tina. Thank you so much. We're gonna talk about radio. And nayo yonke le experience onayo eradweni as a programs manager nabeng Shilo, benomsakazi, producer, even nasena kwi newspaper. Kodwa before usifike lapho uthukhulele enkandla. Ufunde khona mabangaphansi konke nje ukukhula kwakho kube senkandla.
Right through to high school.
Oh, okay.
Right through to the end of high school, actually. Matric kwami ngawenzela esikoleni ekuthiwa Ingono. Isikolo sami sasenkandla nje.
Oh, nice.
Sinye seyikole nje edumile nje ezaziwayo enkandla. Esinye nje seyikole ezaziwayo edumile enkandla nezindala. It's not very far away from the senisithandayo isidume kakhulu ukuthi bizimali. So singakhona naso yeah. So my schooling nje yaqala yaphelela lapho.
Kwakunjani ukukhula enkandla andini eyadala ukuthi uthande umsakazo noma wawuthanda umsakazo usemncane noma wakuthola ngendlela?
Not really very. I don't know what kwafika nini, to be honest with you. I've always been that person kodwa nje othanda ukuphuma nje ashona eceleni kuzo zonke izinto engizenzami. Mhlawumbe not intentionally so. Kodwa I realized nama ngikhulu ukuthi khona ezinye izinto engazi kwami into ngifika kanjani kuzona. But because there were no opportunities afana nalawa. Engekho into yokuthiwa khulunywa indawo zama-radio ekhaya khuluma nge-radio yaziwa ubani leyo. In fact, to even taking the decision to finally go and study journalism, ngayithola just along the way because ngenhlanhla uma ubevele sebenza la eThekwini.
Okay.
So ngijwayele ukuvakasha vele eThekwini uma kunemaholiday ngiba umuntu waseThekwini. So ngicabanga at some stage kwavele kwangathi khona nento engathi ngihlaniphile kancane. So I got to know about journalism nje emgwaqweni nje. I can't even recall ukuthi kwafika kanjani kimi. Or I had interest in radio. But I was then advised to go into media studies, but I ended up doing journalism. So this is just before our days. That is in the late 90s. That is in the late 90s. So going back to umbuzo wakho ukuthi iradio into ebikhona yini cha mfana kithi. Into nje bingekho that I got to know about it later on in my life, or just after high school actually. Then I did journalism, then got to get to Durban Youth Radio for some practicals. It's a funny story. Ngoba umuntu ayalaphana angilukhohlwa leza zinto ngoba ngangade ngilimele nokulimala so kusadume nje naleza zinto zethu zakudala kwakuthiwa manika. So ngikona lezo zinto nje ngilo muntu nje. Okay. So I remember those very early days zase Durban Youth Radio. So I went there ngokuthi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi how to access the platform, how to get into the industry. Ngaqeda ukufunda futhi at the time. Then mangifika khona zazi into ze community radio uthi ufika uzokwenza enye into uvele kwenziwe enye into.
Yes.
Ugcina kodwa ke so ingakho abantu abaqala kwi community radio abantu abadlule kwi community radio bekwazi ukuthi umuntu enze izinto eziningi within the broadcast industry akwazi nje akujwayelekile ukuthi umuntu nje ugcina mhlambe umsakazi yabo or producer nje abanye they take it even further. Uthola ukuthi umuntu wenza nezinto ze-technical khona lapho as well. But I've never been in that person-ke okuthi ngalezi zinto lesi. Cha. Ngiyakwazi nje lokho okuncane engikwaziyo yeah. So I got there. I was told ukuthi kuzoba ne-training of people that were interested in joining the news department. Ngikhumbula training noma yagcina enzekile. Kodwa nje ngikwazi ukuthi khona lapho nje got an opportunity yokuthi ngibe uproducer. I think zayisafena izinto zokuba uproducer. Ngoba uproducer ayithola sengenza nenhlelo. I think if I remember correctly nganginokubamba in the evenings Shama Slow Jam lapha ngo Mr Nice Guy.
That's when I remember you.
Go Mr Nice Guy, then ended up doing the mid-morning show as well for quite a long time. So izinto ezazikhulisa nje lezo. But ayingekho into ethi zowakha khona into radio. Zowakha hambe ungena e-radio and I just went there ngoba I was keen nami ngaleso sikhathi sengazi ukuthi khona such industry that exists. So ngaya ngithi ngoyifunela ulwazi. So I was given that opportunity. Yaqala kanjalo ke journey yami with the radio industry before we went to the emaphepheni.
Sure.
Lawa wathandayo but athi sasipha.
Now,
Yeah.
you are busy now with your journalism uyangena eradweni. Obviously abantu kade ufunda nabo ngale nkandla. Abanye they are becoming teachers in their journey. Abanye they are becoming nurses, abanye lawyers, abanye amaphoyisa. Then when ukhetha le career path engajwayelekile mos because I career path engajwayelekile futhi edelayayo ukuthi inikeza nama results. You understand? Were you not getting questions ukuthi ibheke phi lento yakho?
Not really mfana ke singaba nenhlanhla nje. I don't remember having ama engagements azothi uyayibona talent yakho ukuthi iyabheda. Ithini esasiyibonela thina ukuthi iyabheda yona lento engathi ayindawo. Nanokuthi you know when you going home abantu mhlawumbe nanifunda nayo nje ubusho ukuthi abanye bawothisha nabo othisha impela sebe progressile nje phambi kwakho. Well, and still thinking ukuthi mina ngangihlaniphile njalo esikoleni hawa. Uzowakha ngempela izidumaphi ngaye yabo. So but I never really got to be in that space ezothi mfana kithi yeka phansi lento yenzayo. Fortunately I think ioledi because uyena umuntu engikhule naye mhlawumbe ngafuna ungifaka incindezi angazi nami mhlambe nalo lalinga-understand ukuthi what's going on, I don't know, but nami ngacishe ngaba ke uthisha, just so you know. Angithi uyakukhumbula ngaleza ikhathi kwakusadumile into ekuthiwa ukuphiphitha.
Yes.
So njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngangihlaniphile mina esikoleni yabo. So I was given that opportunity yokuthi ngihambe ngiyofundisa kwesinye isikole. Ngisho nje bathi yithi ngangivashela umama nama kwama holiday. So angikho mina ngila eThekwini into engcingo at the time. Ayingekho lama cellphone. So yangiluza kanjalo that opportunity. In fact wagcina kufundisa ukhazini wami lapha esasifunda naye. Sashona naye. May his soul rest in peace waNtuli. So yangiluza kanjalo that opportunity, but I could have been easily uthisha nje. Fundisa ingane zenu. Yeah, ngayithola yona opportunity sho kanjalo. So iyahamba ke impilo ke safunda ke lokho esikufundayo. We were fortunate kodwa ngokuthola ne platform yase DYR at the time, I think. I don't know ukuthi okunye angikwazi ukugcina sekwenzeka after ngemuva kwe era yethu. But ngale era yethu nje it was a good platform to be on. Very good platform to be on, to an extent ukuthi some people actually believe that Durban Youth Radio is
a commercial station.
It's a commercial station. Durban Youth Radio ingane or umfowabo wa FM, you know, because kwakusanda kufika newire at the time. So there was just that as well. So it was a cool platform to be on.
It was a beautiful.
Yeah.
Journalism uyifunde kuphi yona?
Yasapho ukukhuluma le ikole ngoba lento izohamba nayo ifike endaweni eningi bese kuthiwa sesithola ama-airtime nje ayindizelayo mahala abame kancane. Yeah, abame kancane. But I did journalism, measured in 6 modules, so yeah, I'm good.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
So we are sitting with a journalist njengoba hleli nje uzobuya asiphonse naye imbuzo. So you now you get into DYR and you have told us what you got in there just to be a news work in the news department.
Sure.
You end up producing. You end up now ususuna no hlelo lakho usul drive.
Sure.
But I remember that you worked until you got into level year management con. Because when I officially met you as Uzowaka now in person, you were a programs manager by that time.
That happened very much late. I think you know at the time government challenges are associated with our community radio stations. I think most of them they still experience the same obstacles. Kwenzeka ukuthi DYR off for a couple of years. I just can't recall the actual year, but it was early in the 2000s. Ngase ngilaphana mhlawumbe angithi from 98 ne. So a couple of years. So that happened in the early 2000s. DYR was off for quite some time, but we were trying to work the project. When there were issues with the university as well, because it was based at the University of KZN. So we're going to issues with it. And you see now, you have a community radio station and you have a campus radio station. So DYR was no longer a campus radio station at the time; it was a community radio station. So kunalawo ungaboni ngasolinye kokukhona ke nababephethe at the time as the board and then the institution as well. So yagcina basemo ingabi bikho emoyeni ke for quite some time. So some of the guys were kept to work the project, and I was one of them as well. Ilapho isagcina sesibaba party khona ke afterwards. Because when it finally got back on air, is this possibly 2003?
I started knocking there, I think it was 2003, 2004.
Yes, I was around that time. I think 2003 when it went back on air.
And you didn't hire me. Anyways, carry on.
Yeah, so then it was myself as a programs manager. There was Vusi as a station manager. No, as a, what was I doing at the time? No, station manager was Cyril Nene. kukhona uMiles as a marketing manager, kukhona uThokozana uNcikazi as a news manager or news editor. I can't recall what was going to position yakhe kwawini at the time. But yeah, that was the team I cornered. These people that I'm mentioning on e-management at the time. And we were doing very well. Njengoba awufika uzongqongqoza wabona na ukuthi uzongqongqoza like sure. Yeah, when we came back on air sase siyosebenzela eDurban Youth Radio at the time. So yeah, that's the era engicabanga ukuthi DYR yenza kahle kakhulu ngayo. Ngesikhathi lapha nePresent, and when it moved to the workshop as well, we were doing very well at the time.
What was the strategy that made DYR so successful?
I think we were just young and keen to get things done, you know, and my relationships I write because we used to struggle together. So actually, ukuthi uphile eduze wakho nomuntu okulevel yakho cause understand kangcono. Kuhle khona to have people that are doing better than you empilweni, but uzogcina udidiseka kwezinye izinto. So rather hang with these people and understand kangcono nabo. So I think it is philiza thina yikho lokho nje ukuthi the group eyayisebenza at the time, including abantu ababengabasakazi, because sonke sasicishe sibe kwi age group eyodwa, nababe bancane babe kwangekuyona age gap enkulu. So I think it is DYR isebenze ke yilokho nje ukuthi the team that was there at the time was just keen to work. Yayingekho futhi nendaba ukuthi push nendaba yenyuku that much as ukuthi imali ibalekile yabo, kodwa sasingenayo the thing yabo. So sasingena pressure nje basically, kwakuyi pressure ukuthi phela kumele kusetshenziswe because the institution has to go on, kumele kukhokhe izinto ezikhokhelwayo, nabantu kumele balekeleleke abantu abenza ukuthi institution isebenze. I'm talking about us, I'm talking about the presenters as well. Ukuthi kwaze kwafika esimweni sokuthi sikwazi ukuthi kuthiwe okay, management izobhekelelwa ngalokho ebhekelelwa ngakho okungconywana ngoba abantu abahlale bekhona emsebenzini e-office, unlike umuntu ofika ezosakaza. So it got to a level futhi ukuthi kwazeke ukuthi nabasakazi nabo kube khona izinto abayitholayo kuthiwa ngaleso sikhathi ke istipend ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukunyakaza nakhona which was a struggle ke kodwa ngoba sasibaningi lapha. Ngithi nje seyiqalile lento ukuthi ufika lapha uzotrainwa kahle kwenzeke mhlawumbe ugcina usuhlala ke na usuyingxenye ye team. So uthola kunanqaba abantu which you can't really afford as in masekuziwe emasenteni. So I think i-challenge kwakuyileyo indaba yemali ukuthi we need to get the institution going. Kumele kukhokhelwe izinto lezi ezikhokhelwayo, khokha ama-rent, yebo, the bills ahlalayo nje on any organization. Nathi sasinaleyo problem ke, but other than that I think into ayenza ukuthi DYR isebenze kwakuyi team that was working at the time, that was keen to work, which is mhlawumbe yona philosophy or yona into engiphilisayo mina till today yabo. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi phela makusetshenzwa yabo. Okay, mase sihamba ke sesizenzela into zethu nakho ahambe nisozenzela. Alright, makusetshenzwa nje. Yeah, makusetshenzwa nje akusetshenzwa. I don't like to have abantu within abantu engisebenza nabo. Umuntu uzoseleka nje ube uyena umisa izinto afune umuntu njalo. So that's the problem that I had at the time. Namanje I think ngakufunda lapho ukudila nayo because ngiyakwazi ukudila nayo. Mhlawumbe you know because you guys mhlawumbe nabangani with some of the guys esasebenza nabo at the time. Uthi mbata kuhlala umuntu wesicwebhu nje kusoya kudala. Dala. So nje anginqeni ukusho ukuthi I don't think this is working.
Yeah.
Or this is not working. Akunqeni lokho. So if it gets to that then and again ngiyashupha uthi sisebencane sonke at the time. Mhlawumbe kuzobuye kube naleyo nto ukuthi hayi phela ngangitshela kodwa ngoba ngempela mangathi basifikisa lequpheni ngingamdida ongiphethe kodwa bakathi basequpheni mhlambe ngamdida. So but we worked. We made it work. And at the time kwakunaleyo nto ukuthi okupopular kakhulu i-YFM in Johannesburg yabo. So sekunokuthi thina ke sithanda i-radio ke mhlawumbe khona umuntu ozoniphathela mhlawumbe ama-recordings thizeni yabo silalele yo okay waqala wafika na-internet sakwazi nokulalela kwi-internet kuyiyona nto engathi nayo mhlawumbe yayinokusidrive ndlela thizeni because we were keen to get izinto okunye ababekwenzela phana sasikwazi ukuthi to have access ukuthi ngathi kuthiwa khona le nto yabe popular manje mhlawumbe sikuzama okunye wakho I recall nje ukuthi kwaba nama-issues ukuthi mangishintsha mina i-programming ya-Sundays yabo ithi nayi but awukwazi ukuthi uzofika na uzocompete nabantu kade bekhona kule space because as much as ukuthi we all different we all have different setups ukuthi we community we public broadcaster we commission ekugcineni kumunye umuntu lo lapha ngaphandle it doesn't really matter that much unless mase befuna ukukhlupa nje kuthiwa yakho ubuthi i-community radio kumuntu olalele nje umuntu nje wazi ukuthi nje radio lapha okwenu kwenikwaziyo with the responsibilities and the ekumele nezinto ekumele nizenze nokuthi kumele nizenze kanjani. So when I was changing i-programming ya Sunday to be just a normal day kushintsha lokho kujwayelekile okwenzeka ama-radio amaningi at the time abanye abantu abaningi didn't like that uthi hayi kade manje yini
iSunday kumele ibe slow jam
siyadansa manje kula masonto siyadansa wenzani zowakhe yabo but it worked. So a whole lot of things that umuntu introduced at the time they actually worked because akushintsha indlela we changed the norm.
Sure.
Yabo sakwazi ukuthi sisebenze nje senze into ye-youth yaba-youth because wakuthiwa i-youth nje now we-youth uyazi na ukuthi wekwenziwani ngamasonto wenzani. So why must you then be compelled to listen to a specific setup yomsakazo that you don't really relate to just because you grew up isimo sikanjalo. So yeah, we changed a lot of things and people believed in TOR at the time. I don't want to lie, it was a big deal, man.
It was.
No, it was a big deal.
It was
a big. I think that's when kwazi ngaleso sikhathi very sharp but I think kuleyo sikhathi ngizothi kwabu uprime wayo ngaleso sikhathi. So sakwazi to create into ezothi hayi man khona lento kuthiwa i-Durban Youth Radio. I want to listen to that thing or if you have interest with radio I want to go and join that thing. So kwenziwa njani we had unqaba abantu abashamfethu that were involved then or that were coming knocking into at that time nqaba yabo. It's also nice to know ukuthi abaningi ababo they made it broadcasting sector on different big platforms. So it was good. Khona kubuhlungana phela ukuthi ngifike train abantu bese bayanishiya ngoba imali ngekho phela obviously kuyasetshenzwa. But it was a good achievement at the time. Ukuthi laphana kunobani udlulela sifike I'm trainer thina because that's one other thing good ngayo community radio angani noma sakwenza namanje to have constant trainings wabantu abasuke besebenza ngaphakathi on different levels. There is nathi we were getting trainings all the time. There were opportunities at the time angani noma sekhona and there were opportunities we would go to train on production, program management, khona institution ayisegoli that are also doing a mention. But you guys in the industry, you know, amanye wabo wasekho amanye amaningi wawo they were government funded institutions. So you'll go there and get trainings aphilayo mhlambe for a week mhlambe yokulandelayo for a month. So sasike sambe nje thothi umuntu usehlala eGoli kodwa uhlala lana, which was good for us at the time. Yeah, so we grew kanjalo ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sifike kule level esagcina sifike kuyona. As much as wonke ama institutions bonke ngabaphathi benu ngoba ngangisebenza nabo ngalezo ikhathi niseku vibe. So most of us would normally meet mhlambe kuona lama institutions siyoqeqeshwa mahala
Yeah.
So that actually helped.
Sure.
Yeah.
I've got a couple of, I'll ask 2 questions for now. So follow up later kokunye because kuphathelene ne-radio nje so ngena khona later. But you mentioned ukuthi nani-ke baningi abasakaza babedlula ezandleni zenu baye kwamanye ama-radio stations. Usawu-programs manager ubani mhlampe owakwazi ukubanika ithuba kwi-DYR bagcina bekwazile futhi ukuphumelela baye kweminye imisakazo commercial radio, be it Metro, Gagasi, Ukhozi or ECR?
Ngiyafuna ukuba mention kodwa futhi ngiyazaba ukuthi you don't know how people feel ngokuthi uzothi wena hayi waqeqeshwa yimina uzothi ana
abantu basebenza baqashe DYR
nangawuzwakhe uzothi ngakhiwa uyena hayi angakhiwa ngoyena
asingathi wamakhasten
wamqasha. History we can't rewrite history now for the convenience of other people.
I guess nje ngibheke abantu abakhona currently now. Stando is one of them.
Stando Nzuza.
Yeah.
I bumped into her today.
Yeah. So
when is she coming to PRS?
Yeah,
you bumped into her. Yes.
I bumped into her. We were in a shop together and we spoke. We're waiting for her to come to the podcast. She didn't say no.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Abanye.
She was doing 9 to 12.
Yeah. She was doing.
Phela angifika lapha ngilethe idemo ngifike ngimewindi. Ngeke ngikhohle ukusho lokho. Okay. Qhubeka.
Yeah, she was doing 9 to 12 at the time.
Yeah.
She was still fresh from, I think wayesafunde actually. I think wayefunda Natal Technical at the time. That's what she did. I don't recall what she joined in got to DUT. Yeah, wayesafunde lapho at the time. Hey, bakhona abanye mfethu abanye ukuthi futhi ngizothi samqasha lalo zamtrainer basethi hayi kodwa zwakha mina angiqashwa ngowena phela njengoba ngishilo ngathi sathi team of people like abanye abantu would come in befike mhlambe via uMiles abanye will come in via uThokozani Ncikazi bezokwenza indaba and we will end up doing other things with them. But there's a whole bunch of people that went through training as a DYR at the time. A whole bunch.
Sure. You mentioned ukuthi radio wayishintsha Sunday yathi kuba fast paced.
Sure.
But we saw radio going back to generally black radio. On Sundays it's R&B, slow jam. What's up with that?
Ngicabanga ukuthi mfethu mhlawumbe it's just the fear of trying new things and testing the waters, which is something that we didn't have, we didn't have that fear at the time, yabo. We were just bold. Sakwazi ukwenza ngendlela esenza ngayo. So mhlawumbe abantu bayabona ukuthi kubuya kuyiformula vele sebenzayo. Vele it was working even at the time ukuthi okay. I-radio yangesonto imi ngalendlela emi ngayo ikakhulukazi kulawa vele amakhulu nabe vele khona. So mhlawumbe basaba ukuthi why kumele bayishintshe abaphethe njengamanje. I don't know. But this was my thinking. It's the fear of doing something different. So they want to play it safe. Let's play kule space vele okudlalwa kusona nathi let's follow the trend le khona. Why do we want to change the trend? I think leyo fear kuphela.
Sure.
Which is something mina kodwa ke angayiboni isebenza. No, mina ngafisa ukuthi kube iyona norm, uyabo. But you must give abantu wethu an alternative. So when you don't provide an alternative, why ngizoyeka ukulalela Ukhozi mina engikhule ngalo or Metro or any other big station ekhona ngizolalela wena ube wena futhi ulethela the very same thing eyenziwa yilapha. Why should I? Fair.
Fair. You know, in fact, speaking about lento shows work, a couple of years ago I was thinking to myself, because I love radio, why do all the radio stations who play Maskandi music choose to have a Maskandi dedicated show ngesikhathi esisodwa on the same day? We understand. So uthola ukuthi ngalo ngomgqibelo mawuvula la uMaskandi, mawuvula la uMaskandi, mawuvula la uMaskandi. why konke zonke kumele zingene ngesikhathi esifanayo
even ne-gospel
ne-gospel on
Same
Sunday
thing, same thing.
Sunday morning mawuvula ngo-6 i-gospel la i-gospel la i-gospel
I think
Yeah.
yiyo leyo nje ukuthi model okucacile ukuthi vele iyasebenza for many years. So wena mawufika manje uthi kodwa mina mangiyiqala lento yamaskandi ubanje umuntu ozongizwa ngoba umaskandi wazi ukuthi into yokhozi. Imazothi nawe shuthi nathi yasondela esincike ngakhona ngasokhosini. So uthini kumuntu omlaleli nje genuine listener uzobe yapi kuwena? Uzobe yapi kuwena? Hence, for instance, I remember at the time, alasikhathi sethu sasinawo umaskandi. I think we were somewhere about
you had maskandi wenzo ayanda Ntuli
even before then.
Yeah.
Or since we omshengu.
Yes,
Ufaka nomshengu njalo kuleyo list. So also omshengu at the time before Ayan. So
Yes.
we did have umaskandi, but my challenge mina yayithi bungakabi lento siyona futhi manje umaskandi usuyathandwa manje umaskandi uyalandelwa kakhulu. At the time it was a bit challenging ukuthi why would you want to put that on your prime platform for youth yaseThekwini? Because youth yaseThekwini was something else at the time. Shintshile sawubo umaskandi manje shintshile indlela owenza ngayo sawulandela sonke one or the other yabo. So mangabe umuntu ufika ke wena usifuna ukwenza umaskandi with platform yakho entsha encane uzoba naleyo nto ukuthi ay phela mkhozi ngiyalwazi ngempela ilook good lapha umaskandi uyalisebenzela kakhulu so nama ngincike khona lapha. But manje you're not providing an alternative. That's my problem.
Yeah. I want to check now. So you mentioned some of the guys you worked with management at Durban Youth Radio. Sometimes when I get to speak to you guys abahlukahlukene of ngiyabona ukuthi kunokukhala kokulimala kwalesi stage. How does it make you feel? I know you ubusu move on kakhulu by the time Durban Youth Radio iphume moyeni ukubona the station just not being on air.
Yeah, man, it was a very bad thing, man. It's just that I don't know ukuthi ngempela kwakonakalaphi kuze kugcina kufika kulesimo ogcina sokusona, but it's one thing that bantu abasebenza eDurban Youth Radio engacabanga khona wayifisa ukuthi kufike kulesimo ogcina kufika kusona. That's very hurtful in fact. Understanding umlando wale institution, understanding the platform it created for abantu abaningi ukuthi kugcine kufika kulesimo okwagcina kufika kusona. So ngeke sikhuluma kakhulu ngoba phela sasingekho kodwa nani naba nesikhathi senu so bafowethu phumana endabeni zethu. Yebo nani kwenzi izinto mhlawumbe abanye abangahambisani nazo ngesikhathi senu. So nathi siyekeni sisebenze nathi siyasebenza. But it was a sad thing. Things into zakhona zonakala kakhulu ngesikhathi i-workshop. A whole lot of things happened there, which led to a departure yami nabanye that came after me. So a lot of things happened. It's a very emotional issue there area because as much as one had been there for a very long time, but akuzange kwenzeka ngendlela kumele ngabe kwenzeka ngayo izinto, especially if you have dedicated isikhathi sakho esithi kangaka like we did lapha neDurban Youth Radio. So isimo leso sokukusona nje manje bethu it's bad. Asikunika ukuthula umphefumulo akumnandi in short.
What led to your departure? Sorry ungena emlonyeni.
What led to my departure? Akasithi mfowethu bekungasasebenzeki, and it was clear ukuthi some people no longer want you there.
Okay.
Yebo. Kubantu osebenza nabo and nabantu abangabaphathi on your higher level. Angithi you understand lento ye-community radio ukuthi angithi kufike khona i-board, mase kube khona i-management, bese kwehla-ke kanjalo. So thina si-structure lesesilandela lesi se-board. So kwangasasebenzeki, so it got to a point ukuthi caca ukuthi mfana kithi akuhlukane. Sekunama-accusations amaningi. I just learned nje mhlawumbe about 3 years back, 2-3 years back, from a guy who's my friend or umngani with some of the people ababekwi-board at the time. Ukuthi kuthiwa we are listed somewhere as abantu who led to the collapse of institution, abantu abadla imali. It's hurting. Futhi igama lami khona livela khona. Mina ngilazi ngiyeza kodwa ukuthi kuthiwa khona ama-documents alapho. In fact, I was asking one of the guys who was in management at the time ngekhathi zethu ukuthi kodwa mfethu uyabona ukuthi, I think there was even before you evaluate your uyabona ukuthi what we did there kuyashabalala nje manje. And namthothi ukuthi amagama ethu khona la kuthiwa vela khona as abantu who led to the breakdown ukuthi kusebenzeke lapha ne-station. Naye he didn't know. Well, and I didn't even go further to even go and check ukuthi akhona impela lo magama vela kuphi noma idebhalo kuma-documents that abanawo bona na angapublishwa ndawo. So we just let it be.
Sure.
That's what led to get to departure. I mean, short mfana kithi kwangasasebenzeki, and it was clear ukuthi sekunama-accusations amaningi, uthethiswa amacala njalo, bizwa i-board njalo. Vele nathi besibuye sigangeke phela, uthothi nawe kade uyigangela into engayindawo nje. Ade uhambile nontokoza nayele Nanda kwamnandi Nanda. Awu uyabuye ukuthi ngathi awuyiphathanga kahle. Awuyiphathanga kahle lapho. Are you bringing the organization into disrepute? Yabo sekunamacala nje bethu kuyathethwa njalo yabo. No.
Yeah. You know what he once did when we were at Vibe?
Sure.
We went to indawo yobumnandi la kwaMashuka ine.
Sure.
Kwakuthiwa yini le ndawo leyana
Shaya Moya,
yes. It's later turned to Lacoste.
Yes.
We went to Shaya Moya with him.
Yeah.
Sifike laphaya, fike kube mnandi, kube ku basket. Yabo, not to basket, no. Kuthiwa yini babona ungazazi izinto. Ice buckets. Kube ku ice buckets.
Sure.
All types of drinks. Kube kwama whiskey.
Sure.
And we go in.
What's sibize sikufunayo?
Kwathiwa sibize sikufunayo. Sihleli zasabasakazi.
So
Akuthina sobabili, the other colleagues.
I mean, the station is there, and we're bringing this table, the house down. Sivunyiwe zabasakazi. On Monday, sihleli siporekile outside the station.
Sure.
Kuqhamuke imanager yakhona lapha eShaya Moya isibingelele futhi isidlule ibheke office
labaphathi
kanti ilethe ibill yayo yonke into ebesiphuza lapha. One of us went there and said, Sabasakazi thina be Vibe.
Sure.
Give us an open tab. The station will sort it out on Monday. And we are known la as Sabasakazi.
Yeah.
Thina siyazi le deal.
Thina sibona nje siphakanyela ukuthi sikujatshule ukuthi kunabasakazi in the building. Before we move on from community radio though, you were leading a community radio ngesikhathi ama-community radio engamaningi, and you joined DYR. Ngalesi sikhathi ujoyina ngama-90s, there were few community radio stations. I think probably kwakuyi-DYR mhlampe nezwi lomzansi, but there were not a lot at the time. I might not be correct in terms of uthi mapha ekhona.
Sure.
But we have seen uhulumeni ewavula ama-platforms amaningi manje ama-community radio stations. You know, would you say it was an advantage ukusebenza ngesikhathi emancane ama-community radio noma good now ukuthi, you know, there are so many out there?
Mhlawumbe ngakho enye impendulo zami nina it's we can't now go and blame abantu abasebenza kwi-community media manje ngoba nabo bazothi nani naba nethuba lenu nenze nakwenza nathi ithuba lethu. So I don't know the challenges that exist manje mfana kithi, but to phrase it ngokuthi mhlambe kwakungcono isikhathi ngalesa ikhathi, I doubt ngoba ama opportunities okukhula nokwenza imali ayingekho as compared to manje. I think now there is plenty of opportunities ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bayisebenze i-community radio ukuthi ikwazi ukubangenisela imali, kwazi ukuthi kube umsebenzi. Because iqala wongekwazi ukuthi kube umsebenzi ukuthi ongathiwa nje uhleli i-community radio uzodlani, yabo. So I think mhlawumbe it's a tricky situation, but I think mina kungcono manje. It's just that it's unfortunate ukuthi kwamanje nakho kunama challenges wakha inqwaba, there's competition ningakhulu izinto abantu ezenzayo, yabo. Usuyilalela i-radio nje, abanye bethu ilalela just because I need to follow news ke mina, unfortunately. So mase ngilalela to follow news, angithi yabo le nto siyanglimisa already now. I have certain interest, angisakwazi ukuthi ngilalele noma iyiphi radio. I listen to azonginikeza lento engifuna ukuthi ngiyizwe mina, yabo. Ngaqala I think wakwazi nje ukulalela nje cishe wonke ama radio stations. As much as ukuthi we still doing channel hopping still, but akusafana qala you knew ukuthi okay, there's Ukhozi, there's Kakasi afterwards, there was Metro, there's one, there's DYR, maybe East Coast, not for many of us at the time, black people. So you see, angikwazi ukudlula ku5 yama options okwazi ukuthi wanikeze attention ngaleso sikhathi. Hayi manje there's too much happening. So akulula kwakuyilalela kwayona i-radio. Akuselula. You have nina alani nidlala same space, niyaphazamisa. Akwazi ukuthi ngilale radio ngilalele nina ngala can't, yabo. So I think there's a lot happening now, so I can't compare the two. Time frames work on our fan, so I can't compare the two eras. It worked for us, but I'm just thinking, ukuthi abantu abamanje they have better opportunities. I think they have better opportunities to make money via the platforms about our phone and our commercial radio stations. It's something else.
Yeah,
sure. Abanye bekothi bakwazela ephepheni, mina ngakwazela ephepheni, and when I started digging about you, then I found out
why were you digging?
From DYR.
Why were you digging?
Because you wrote about me.
Sure.
So some of us know you from ephepheni. Ungena njani ephepheni? Ilanga newspaper.
Ephepheni, it was just after that era yaseTV News Radio, ne? I was friends, or we still are, Nosizwe, ne? Uplos.
Okay.
So Uplos was about to move to Iswalez at the time. And if you recall, ngaleso sikhathi focus Kolami Radio.
Yes.
So my city Uplos mina, in fact I city Uplos wasengivulela that opportunity ukuthi ngoba yena uyangale uzokhuluma nozakwabo kuyimina ongene ecathulweni zakhe.
Oh, nice.
So he spoke to them. I was called into a meeting. Kwakusaphethe Thobile at the time. Very good empathy.
Yes.
Yeah. So I went in. Kwakusekhona i-team elanga leTheku, which was very strong at the time. If I remember correctly, kwakuyena Thobile as umphathi, kuyena uSizwe. Okay, uSizwe angimiyeke ngoba ngisebenzanga naye. I came in ehamba yena. Kukhona uKane, I think kukhona noSbo
Zandile,
kukhona Zandile, kukhona uMshengu. So Nama was roped in kule team yelanga leTheku because that Kolami Radio was featured kwilanga leTheku. So ngaqala nje ngenza yona more than anything else because I was new in the field of writing.
Sure.
Yeah, so we ended up doing type of articles other than the radio. But that's how I got into Ilanga. Ngavula lo plus.
Very nice. That's very nice.
Yeah, ngavula lo plus. So it was a good time that we had there.
Yeah.
Asebenza neminyaka eminingi ke futhi khona.
And the articles wakho radio thina sasiwafunda kakhulu ngoba sasithanda i-radio. So ngasibaningi abathanda i-radio ababefunda ama-articles wakho e-radio.
I'm told, sorry, before Kube,
Sure.
I'm told ukuthi in some stations kwakusetshenziswa wona. I mean big stations, not just community radio. Kwakusetshenziswa wona to review ukuthi nisebenza kanjani. Abanye bachithwe labanye.
In fact, that's where I was going with my question. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I agree with you on that one. Ukuthi kwakuyi platform, kuba nomuzwa, kwakuyi platform eyasebenza kakhulu.
Yeah.
Radio Column that one did. Yeah.
That's true. It was big. But then it was at that time, before the digital era, everything is big. And wawenza into ehluke kakhulu ukuanalyze i-radio. Saba nayo usizo wasixoxela nayo ukuthi wakuthatha waqala ukubona David Mashabela before naye akwenze, and now you continued there. But it wasn't as popular, and also commenting on your radio or on anything, people that do that thing will not like you.
Sure.
Commenting on music, unless you're gonna say you love all the songs, musicians are not gonna love you, because you will say this one is nonsense, and then that they will not like. So no one wants to be analyzed. That ulayini ngantokozo lo masikhuluma ngabanga ethandi podcast sathi nikhuleka. So my question is, how was it for you ngaleso sikhathi ukubhala nge-radio ukhuluma ngama shows abantu abanye baphuka inhliziyo?
Ngenhlanhla mfethu ongeshwa nje lesa sikhathi sasingafani nemanje lobusho yabo. So mhlawumbe uma kwakuyimanje I was going to be hectic. Mhlawumbe umuntu wayehlala ubhale ku Facebook phela zonke izinsuku ethukwa yabo. Manje ngekho leyo nto ukuthi bazoku-accessa kanjani. Bazo-accessa abanye ngokuthi ngakho ukuthi bathunyelwe mhlawumbe incwadi mhlawumbe emsebenzini futhi khona be it complaints or ngendlela okubhaleke ngayo, because abanye would complain ngokuthi iyo lonto isho ukuthi akafuka akekho umuntu ofuna ukuanalyze. They would complain ngokuthi mhlawumbe indlela mina engibhale ngayo mina ngiyabagxeka mhlawumbe I have issues nabo, because unfortunately sasazana sonke njengoba ade ngihlale kwi-radio isikhathi eside vele sengisebenza kule space sabo manje, so siyazana in and out of umsebenzi ngezinye ikhathi yabo. Ngoba sengathi vele mina uzwakha akangigcwali vele. So there would be that as well. There would be ukuthi mhlawumbe kuthiwe siyasetshenziswa by whoever has beef nomunye yabo. Uthi I know laba bathunyiwe laba bathuka lapha ku Facebook, labo bavusa hlale ekhuluma ngabo ethi basuthi ichibi zosihlalo. So kube ngathi nathi sithi mhlawumbe sithunyiwe umuntu ekhanda lakhe kunaleyo nto ukuthi hayi bangisebenza laba, so which never existed yabo. I know ukuthi umshengu wayekhuluma nayo lo nto. I'm not sure if it was this platform, but I think it was on this platform. Ukuthi kunabantu okugcina ngempela ngokusebenza lapha ephepheni okwagcina kungasazwana nabo. Abanye until today yabo. Khona ubuntu nje usakholelwa ukuthi cabanga nje it was over 20 years ago. Kodwa umuntu nje uzocabanga ukuthi azwaka vele mina nama issues nami lo muntu lo. So yeah, khona it led to that ekutheni kube khona ungazwani with abantu that are practicing in that space. Banjobo adusho mfethu akekho umuntu othanda xoka into yakhe ukopolota into yakhe, because manje futhi kuzoba sengathi manje uthini wena uthi akaxoshwe emsebenzini. Kanti wena that's not the direction that you're taking. Mina ngizolalela umsakazo ngisho ukuthi mina I wouldn't have done le anto ayenzayo ngale ndlela yena ayenza ngayo. List my reasons mhlawumbe as well. So take it or leave it, yabo. Mangafuna ukuthatha lokho ukuthatha ngangikwenza futhi I could back it up at the time, yabo. Because of my experience, so I could back it up ngangenankinga. Nomuntu wayengangchallenge ngafike ngimtshele lokho engimtshele khona. I can still do it now.
Why nesibindi yakhulu uzowaka in his articles. I remember about me in particular, he once wrote an article and he said cha wayekhuluma ke kwasekuyisikhathi sonyaka yabo lesikhathi sama changes wayekhuluma ngabasakazi who are ready for bigger platforms. Then he said about me uNtokozo Chapha we breakfast ye Vibe FM uready yena kodwa ukuthi akanasimanga kodwa ama basics ready wabamba. I don't forget that article.
So I was putting you on.
Akana wow factor. Kodwa ama basics ngeke uzumthinte kuona.
Siqinisile izulu masithi. Ngithi siqinisile izulu masithi umenzi.
No, I never took it to heart. That's why I'm sharing it because mina when I read your articles, just like how you've just narrated now, I ngangwasebenzisa ukuzakha. You know, we once had a workshop with Uachi Majola and he was teaching us about talking less and saying more, you know, avoiding lento yokulanda. And I remember you once also analyzed me and you said I need to cut down on the long talks, long links. So I think kuya ngayo umuntu analyzewayo ukuthi lento meyifunda uyifunde kuphi ngokwe frame of mind noma meyilalele ngoba sekuyalalelwa kwi podcast usuke kuphi nge frame of mind. So that is why ngisho ukuthi you can come back here also analyze.
I would like to put it on record that Zwaka Mbatha has never written anything bad about me.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, kwakuhlale kuhle nje. Yes,
no.
I remember there was one article lana khona okhuluma nge Vibe FM lineup yonke. If I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
And at that time in the morning kwaku Thulan Papipo 9 to 12 kwaku Jacinta Ngobese 12 to 3 myself and 3 to 6 kwaku Ntokozo. And in that article I think I'm the only one who came out unscathed.
Asiqondisa isimo. But it was never personal.
But for people right now who do analyze, a lot of people go on social media and they analyze when ama groups ahlukahlukene kuma social media platforms. How would you advise them to make sure that if you choose to go that route, don't assassinate people, but do it in a constructive way,
and be able to back it up mfethu ngoba ngempela awukwazi phela wena ukuzongitshela ukuthi imoto kumele ngidrive kanjani wena ungakazi uyidrive imoto. I can't accept that. So I must be able to back it up lento ikhulumayo ukuthi okay, I'm saying this because of 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. And nakho mina okungangikhulumela manje wangikhiphe kubeka etafuleni. So awukwazi ukuvela uqhamuka kwenye uzongitshela. I think what is dangerous ngalama platforms, hey mfethu abantu bakhuluma kabuhlungu and they'll write things obona ukuthi it's not merely about the show, but it's really about the host. Problem iqala le. So mangabe ubhala awuba communicator ngento akungadini nomuntu awudile with the matter. Uthi this is how it can be done better. Kumele kwenzekeni, kumele kube nani bese uthi ayikodwa Ntobeko uzoyifunda naye lento awuyibhalile wena uyibonela yena ukuthi oh mina ikuphi engakuthatha ngikwenza kangcono kuloko awukhulumanga ngoNtobeko omba ngothi uNtobeko uyabheda I wouldn't listen to that show. No matter what I'm with Bamekan. But you're not telling us why. So tell us what in a bit for you to feel the way you feel, but don't talk about the person because that's what they do now. My character and social media is dangerous and umuntu njengokusebenzisa le example wemoto nje umuntu really that has never been into the radio space to understand the dynamics and the challenges that comes with the industry itself. Uyisebenzile yini yani uyisebenze iminyaka emingaki or wayifunda iminyaka emingaki. What's the experience that they bring along le kwazi ukuthi imenze akwazi to confidently say izinto ayishoyo ngumuntu or ngohlelo. So be able to pick it up. Ma ungekho into la emva kwakho esho ukuthi ngikukhuluma lokho because of izinto eyila mina. Don't say it. So your social media iphetha ngalo Facebook khona amapage lapha ku Facebook ngiyakhuluma. Hey, hlala khulunya ngabantu lapha abanye bazenzela ama line up wabo khulunya ngabantu. But there's really nothing that talks about the show. That's what I'm saying. Speak to me about the show. Ngitshela ukuthi for breakfast show to have great components kudingekani mhlawumbe. Don't talk to me about the man that's presenting the show.
Yeah. Because if those components are brought in, you might not need to change the man. Yeah.
We talk a lot about radio, and maybe you've watched some of our episodes. That's Kuluma Konange Radio. I'm not sure whether it's only interviews or Wabu. What would you say to us about how we do it? And I'll tell you, Masupendulile, why I'm asking this question.
How you do it on your platform?
On our platform, in terms of when we talk about radio, our comments about radio, are we being malicious? You know, I just want to hear your thoughts around that.
Hey, mfethu, ngizobuyela kule yade ngisho khona manje because mina ithi asikhulumeni about the issues, not about abantu that present the issues. So nani, that's the only thing that I think I would want to share with you. But singakhulumi ngabantu. Because mangabe sekwenzeka ke sekuthiwa ke useshintshiwe lo muntu and still awekho ama common component akhona are right to have a great show. Yini ezokwenza umehluko kulo show? Uthi kushintshwe wena. So we can't work on those bases. So mina ke am comment izothi uma nani niwenza your analysis, or they will call them analysis or just plain discussion.
Just comments.
Yeah. Do them singakhulumi ukuthi uba anela ngenza kangcono ukunobani. Singasho ukuthi lo omunye ubani kungaba ngcono mangashintsha uwani angenzeka kangcono uma uhlelo lwakhe lingaba na these components.
Yeah, fair. No, the reason I'm actually asking the question is because we always try to be constructive. And when we give our thoughts, we always give our thoughts in a manner that I take your feedback completely. To a point that even if Kuguti at some stage, in most cases also where there has been something negative that has been said about Umuntu, guest. In most cases, we actually even reach out to those people and try to get them into the platform, because in our thinking it was, you know, it's fair. We were commenting about the radio, and you happen to do the show that you do. It was not to say where now we are better as Usman Man. But sometimes it is a little bit disappointing when you get that feedback. Which nina nashindenga inhle ngami or nahle Usman Man uma ngabe ngixeka.
Khuluma ngoDlamini.
Which Dlamini?
Usempiwe?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Because I know that's one episode that got many people talking. That was it.
Yes.
So I'm assuming ukuthi mhlawumbe you're
Not
referring
at
to
all.
that
It's not even
episode.
only. It's not even only that. That's one of many.
Okay.
It's one of many.
Okay.
Makosi Cause has been on this platform. He said things. Some people were not happy. There are many people on the Africa platform. People have comments and views, and we can't say ungakhuluma bosibani. Yangithona.
Asingakhulumi ngabantu, asikhuluma
Ngama-shows.
Yes, siya.
Hayi ngikuzwa kahle. Ngikuzwa kahle.
Yeah, because inkinga ayiba lapho nje mfethu ukuthi people would then start saying ukuthi I know. Shithi abamthanda usibani. And kuzokwenzeka in hindsight kuyinto kade ungayiboni kwakuyibona wena mhlawumbe ukuthi usuyenze kwaphindelela. Gcine sewukuthi ngathi now it's personal. It's not really about what goes on lapha nala kusetshenzwa khona, but it's about this person problem there.
Yeah. Then on this point, Zoaka, you have been a PM, Prongs manager. You have been a producer. You've been a presenter yourself. As we are speaking about components of a radio show, a producer of the show iyakwazi yini ukuthi ilekelele ekuthenini kuphume the best out of umsakazi. So kungenzeka yini uthola ukuthi akuphume the best out of umsakazi ngenxa yokuthi akana producer ekwazi ukukhipha the best out of him.
Definitely. Most of our presenters that are doing well is because they have great teams behind them. So obviously the producer has to understand ukuthi okay, number one, understand your audience nje akumele kube khona ukuthi mathiwa ngiyakuvusa ngo-12 ebusuku, you can't tell me ukuthi who is most likely to listen to you, because nakhona ngeke kube yiqiniso ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi ngempela ubani okulalelayo. Who is most likely to listen to you? What are you doing wena on your end ukwenza iqiniseko sokuthi lo muntu that is most likely to listen to you uthola great quality of radio mangabe lalele kuwena. So if you have that in mind, ukwazi kahle ukuthi nangu umuntu wami mina ngikhuluma naye, you'll never get it wrong. Uyabo. But producer ibona that needs to play major roles ekutheni banikeza abasakazi good quality of programs, because a producer kumele as umpheki mfethu mangabe na ufaka iNorox yakho yazi ukuthi iNorox kumele ufake uzoxabisa vele ngeke kuphume into right ultimately, uyabo. So producer needs to understand umlaleli. Producer needs to understand umlaleli wesiteshi sisonke ayiko show yakhe kuphela, because nakho kuyahluka futhi, because the targeted audience yomsakazo might not be the leading factor of the targeted audience show yakho. Do you understand me? Kungenzeka kuhluke ukuthi isiteshi, okay, siteshi silalelwa 24-year-old or to a grouping at 24 kuya ku 45-year-old. Labo bantu abenza izinto ezizodwa, right? So wena your show within this bracket kalo 25 kuya ku 45 ikhuluma nobani ke yona now. Because you can't just produce or give out on air into zothi uyayifayela hoping ukuthi kukhona ezohlangana nakho kulo 25 kuya kulo 45. Your show ikhuluma nobani yona, yeka the overall audience yomsakazo. Within this bracket ke wena, what are you bringing ukuthi umsakazo ukwazi ukuthola lezi inamba uyifunayo? Because what is done in the breakfast show cannot be some similar, even close to what is done by midday by any station, or to what is done. Khona kumele kube ne-synergy, but it can't be. Audience iyahluka iyodwa vele yomsakazo. But you as a show, there's a targeted audience yale show yona oyenzayo. So I think what producers then need to understand ukuthi what are we trying to achieve team?
Yeah,
Show it.
You know, I'll make an example. You'd remember Gosano 9 to 12 where Metro FM kune segment yayidumile khona yayibizwa ngokuthi office foreplay.
Sure.
So kwakucacile ukuthi la shothi uhlelo selidesignelwe a person who's working in an office. It could be a receptionist, it could be a clerk, but umuntu osehleli phansi or relaxile. So I fully get you. Then what then do you say to ama producers who are teamed up with these big figures, abasakazi abakhulu abadumile, then agcine manje yena ese overshadow ukuthi usebenza nomuntu omkhulu, and now yena uzibone esebenza ne-icon? Akasakwazi ukunikeza i-direction lena ngoba manje hey ngifakwe nombatha, hey uzowakha, he's been there, I'm so blessed ukusebenza naye yabo. So then you ugcina ngazi sekuyi-PA yakho le ekumele ikulethela amanzi, ekumele ikusondezele i-newspaper, ekufanele, you understand?
And it's unfortunate ukuthi hey, we've had so many not really complaints, but ingxoxo nje inkulumo ehamba ngalo line ukuthi some of these big personalities abatreat njengobusho nje as PAs, totally even the ideas hayi bethu umencane nalento yakho yabo. Njoba ngisho nje kanje na asho nje kanje umuntu kodwa because as a producer in a sense wena phela umphathi wakhe yabo. Kodwa uzokhuluma nje kanjalo kuyena no umencane mfethu, because unfortunately ungakwenza konke vele, but unfortunately umuntu obambe umbhobho lapha na uyena. So what goes out, you are not really in control of it. Yeah, I can give you the items to talk on, but if he decides to go to script is I'm not doing this. Unfortunately, a producer can't control the but it would be stupid of presenters work to abakhona, but it would be stupid of presenters to behave like that. Because as a team, producer wakho, team member yakho, so kubalulekile qala basic principles of it, you respect each other. Emsebenzini kuyasetshenziswa sonke sizosebenza. We met here mhlamba sazana ngishukwazana even before we got here, and you were brought in together nasini by team. But I know manje ukuthi kune trend ukuthi some presenters would prefer to assemble their own teams. So akekho umuntu ofika eqhamuka esayidini kade bengazani naye. I'm not sure if that's a good move, because you easily influence each other mawukuthi vele nina nomlando kanti namangazothi sizosebenza la sizosebenza. But on the flip side, I think futhi it works, because ngihlala ngithi mina kubalekile mangabe sisemsebenzini ukuthi other than ukwazi wena as a presenter wohlelo, I need to understand the man behind this presenter. Not that kumele sibe bangani, I'm not saying that, but I need to be able to tell ukuthi I know man, kontokoza akekho sharp. We need to get to a point ukuthi sokwazi ukukhuluma ngezinto. We don't have to, but kuyakusiza uma ukuthi isimo sikanjalo, because it creates an environment ezothi niqondane kangcono yabo, because mangabe nisemsebenzini kubalekile ukuqondana kangcono. Just that sometimes we mistake that nobungani, kanti akushiwo lapho ukuthi iba umngani womuntu, but just so you have an understanding ye character yakhe, just so you can read isimo sakhe mawuthi amhlanje ukuthi ngathi akekho sharp mfethu kwenze njani, because senifike to that level ukuthi niyakwazi ukuthi nixoxe. Ngijabule nje mangibona abanye mhlawumbe sothi siyahlangana emoyeni, thothi umuntu uhamba necrew yakhe asebenza naye, mhlawumbe as a producer, presenter, mhlawumbe technical guy is there as well, beyihlalele nje just chilling. Mhlawumbe kwakhona lapho whether basoyoplana uhlelo noma ungaplana uhlelo, but to see them out of the office, I think it's into enhle. Let's understand each other and just qondane kangcono.
Sure.
Asingaba bangani makwenzeka kuyenzeka, but asingaba bangani, but asikwazi ukuthi mangifike e-office or studio mawuthi kuhlangana e-studio mfethu kahle suku lakho lami kanjani, okay sure, mhlambe vele besicommunicate nasocingweni, because nalokho kuyasiza, must constantly communicate nabantu osebenza nabo. it irritates me ukuthi umuntu atholakala ocingweni sikwazi ukusebenza yebo. So kumele ube in constant communication nomuntu osebenza naye so that nizoqondana kangcono, not as a presenter producer but as human beings.
Sure.
Yebo.
Yeah.
Going back to ukusebenzeni kwakho kwilanga before singene ususebenzela iVuma. Ngenze research for ukuzoxoxa nawe ngithola ukuthi wakwaba umhleli for a short period of time.
Uyaphlapha. Yeah, kwakwenze. Yeah, kwakwenze.
Okay,
ngaba umhleli welanga la ngesonto. Angikwazanga ukuyiphatha.
Akwazanga
ukuyiphatha, yeah. So I was exactly because it's a big responsibility, and
okay.
A very big responsibility to be an editor, a news editor there is of EPEP. Nama deadlines abhekane nawe more than anyone else.
Sure.
As much as there's a team that is responsible to compile indaba, ultimately it lies with you. Mhlambe nama deadline mhlambe kuze kuhanjwe ebusuku ophunye ebusuku, the most likely person to leave late or later than anyone else osuke kulaba abasuke as compilers abahlanganisa iphepha kuzoba uwena. So I think ngaba ne pressure nje at the time angangakwazi ukuyiphatha.
Uthi awazange ukuyiphatha, ngizama ukunderstand leyo.
Hayi ngahluleka nje ukuyiphatha mfethu.
Okay.
And I think it was also unfortunate ukuthi umuntu wayesebenza ngeweekend.
Sure.
Uyangizwa kangithi?
Yacathula.
No, it was nje kwabheda mina.
Okay.
In short kwabheda mina ngikwazanga uyiphatha.
Yeah, hey, you are meant to be able to acknowledge that, eh?
Yeah.
Many people don't.
Yes, gabe ba blame abanye abantu.
Yeah, many people don't. They want to find someone to blame. Bangabheki ukuthi bona benzini.
No, into engigudi kuyo ngihlala ngenza nje all time. I'm never the one ongakwazi ukuthi lento angikwazi ukuyenza. Lento iyangihlula. I think omunye umuntu angayenza kangcono kunami lento. I'm that person. Then I'd go and seek assistance if I need assistance, or I'd rather have someone else doing it other than ukuthi kube yimina engiyenzayo. Even if ukuthi I'm in the position to actually decide ukuthi kumele kwenziwe ubani, I do that. Uma ukuthi angekho in the position to decide ukuthi kumele kwenziwe ubani, I'll then put up a request with whoever is responsible to make that call. Ukuthi no, this is not for me. Let's rather get someone else to do it. Balekile ngikwazi ama-shortfalls wakho ngomuntu bethu. I don't like nomuntu mina owazi yonke into nje. I just khuluma before we started with this thing. Ukuthi khona le nsizwe Paula njalo ngayo yonke into yazi yonke into lapha ku-podcast thizeni, which is good ukuba nolwazi, but you can't be
a jack of all.
Man, impossible. So nje be in a position ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi no, this I can, this I can't do.
Sure.
Whether kuzokhipha imali ephaketheni khona izinto obuyithola mhlawumbe ngokusakwazi ukuthi uyithole nje, but you must be man enough to take such a decision and make that call. And I do that all the time.
Sure.
Yeah.
iVuma, how did that gig come about and how was your stay?
Hey, mfethu. Ushuthi ngenhlanhla ukuthi bathi ngizolanda because angithi khumbula naselangeni ukuthi I was introduced by uSizwe because he was leaving. So now iVuma kwenze into ethi mayicishe ifane nale. I was with Ilanga for years, man. Nakhona I think ngase ngiqala nakuba ngasemnandi ukuthi hayi man, ngathi sengenza enye into futhi manje. And remember ukuthi i-radio is my first love,
yeah.
Right? So ekubhaleni ngangena njengoba kwenzeka nesimo sasengivumela at the time. So radio was my first love. So when uVusi, I remember uVusi ngimbalelelo ya crew engathi ngangisebenza nayo eTV News Radio kudala.
Yes.
So when uVusi was given the programs manager position eVuma, he reached out to me because ngaba indicator vele kwakusekhona uBraphet. May he so rest in peace, Patrick Ubuhazi. Ngangenga indicator because besike sibe nama engagements mahlana lasihlangana khona ngithi I'm keen njalo, I don't even want imali, ngangafuni ngisho imali ke. I'm keen to be part of iVuma to an extent that I'm not sure if you guys would recall, before I went there on full-time basis now to be a producer, I had a stint with them. Sure, before then, the current affairs slot. Hey, I can't recall the before then. Oh, I think Upumla. I'm not sure. Let me not mention names. Because why producer Upumla and Ongwanyana, he was producing the show. I can't recall what I got in Zoban before then. So I had indicated I need my interest go prepared. So the other time they called, went to the office. Angekho la mali mfethu umsangano. Umsangano ogcina incinci. Hayi sivumelane ngithi mina no it's cool. I'm going to do it because okwami is just to ukuthi bangiqeda elangeni then I will come through and get the show done.
Sure.
I think kwaba inyanga eyodwa. Kanti abaphathi bami baselangeni they are not going to approve.
Oh, okay.
Remember ukuthi ngithe nakhona angasekho vele mnandi nje. So there was somebody saw an opportunity ukuthi awuzwakhe ngathi uyabheda ke lana. Usengene eVuma. Abaphathi abakhulu bezosebenziswa ngiqhuma emoyeni kodwa umphathi wayeqondene nami I had informed him mina. So wase kuliyo indaba yokuthi I did not inform abaphathi. Okay. That still hurts njalo. Uyazi nje ukuthi ayihojelani ngenxa leso sinqumo asenza at that time. So baphathi mase bengizwa ke sengiqhuma emoyeni kube ukuthi bathi kuyena no you must make a call, decide ukuthi uyaphi ungala noma ungale, you can't be on both platforms. Mina phela kuphambana lo ndawo nje even better because the radio lapha so thola nethuba lokuthi sokhuluma ngamaphepha wethu trying to convince them what no it's not going to happen. I think ngishilo ngathi vele nendawo yenyuka engekho so ngangekwazi phela ukusurvive umuntu besekhulile vele at the time so khona ingane nemndeni so I had to make that call with that I know Vuma so wesibone bafowethu hayi lento ngathi akwenzeki so ngaqhubeka ke naselangeni. So when uVusi came in, this is now mhlambe a year later or a few months later, possibly a year later. Oh no, few months later because this was in Jan. Mina ngade ngikhona I think sometime in July for that short stint. Ngade ngikhona in July, so this happens 6 months later in January. 2020 or 2021. Igigaba bezenini no 2021 ne? Usho to 2020 because
yini igigaba
igigaba lezi zokusha kwezo.
Oh, 2021.
Okay, kumele understand yabo.
Igigaba za July.
Igigaba ka July. Yeah,
okay, 2021.
Yeah, we should be now was at the beginning of that year.
Of that year, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it was the beginning of that year because onye into kwagcina nazo useyenza ukuthi kungabe kusahamba kahle ngokwenhlelo zethu because remember now you've just joined the station akusiyona isikhathi esokuvele ukuthatha sokuqala ama contracts leso yabo ama contracts wakhona I think about in July.
Yeah.
I mean I'm getting there it's Jan.
Yeah.
All right. The following year after July wami wokuhlukana nabo. Sithema siqhubeka sisebenza zafika lezi gigaba zokusha kwezo. Angithi yakhumbula zaseyishintsha indlela yokusebenza. Wakuningi nje kwenzeka. So sangabe sisakwazi ukuphindela nakuleza ivumelwano kade sinazo. before usebenza. So when Vusi approached me, I vele mfethu I'm keen. I want to jump ship. But mhlambe nina ngoba nje babe sakhuluma inyuke umsangano still. Athi hayi mfethu ngibhekeleleni ukuthi I'm on full-time employment elangeni, yabo. With everything else that comes with that. Senginomndeni at the time. Hayi bonana ukuthi ngimisa kanjani. Mhlamba sivumelane ngokuthi at least you mhlambe ngizofika kulokhu engikutholayo. I am prepared to jump ship, then we can review after isikhashana kanti sekuzofika lezo igigaba ba asanga besakwazi ukuphindela kule review ekade sivumelene ngayo, yabo. So then I jumped ship. That was me leaving elangeni. There was really nothing engathi ya or ukuthi ngaxoshwa something. No, it didn't. I resigned. Ngisengiya kuvuma. Ngahlala ivuma ke for since then until last year. Because I produced when I left Vuma, I was no longer producing because I was used to produce the uhlelo lolwenziwa noPotwana in the evenings. Lolu lozingxoxo.
Yeah.
It's ikhona ngangiqashelwe khona lokho ngikuthi umsebenzi wami imuphi uqashwa wami eVuma kwakuyiloyo. But ngaqala ngenzisa izinto eziningi ngithi uyakubona manje sizama ukucover le yana ukuthi okay ukuze sikwazi ukucover lento yakho oyithola lana. Shothi kumele kunyuswe ama responsibilities uyabo. So I was given to produce the 12 to 3 njalo ngosuku 12 to 3 was into Nanda at the time. So I would produce that and produce my evening slot as well. Man, it got to it was too much work. It was too much work. I can't take it anymore. I'm a present because now I would leave home because I need to be in the office by 10. Do what I need to do for the show. Yes, I mean, I've been entertaining so I don't now have time to fully attend to my production work for the evening slot, and it's a very demanding slot. It's not as easy as lezi inhlelo lezomxumseni. Yabo. So ngacela ukuthi hayi bangikhulule kulolu hlelo lasemini and we agreed. Bangikhulula kulasemini, so I solely focused on the evening slot. Producer yon until about a year ago, or just over a year ago, where it was December. Still angithi sakavumelana ngaleza zinto esasikade sikhuluma ngalo yanyaka. Athi mina okay athi umphathi athi awusakukhuthalele kodwa ukusebenza. Ngithi mina no, it's not that ayikhuthale ukusebenza ukuthi hey mfethu can you just refresh your memory ukuthi asivumelane ngani mina ngesikhathi because manje ngikhuluma ngento eyodwa constantly. Hayi athi nama ngisathandi mfethu angikwazi ukukhuluma ngento eyodwa constantly. So kwagcina kuthiwa ke hayi ngizoreleasewa ekuproduceni, so I'll carry on because khona lolu hlelo bengilenza on Sunday evenings but basically record so I continued with that until we had got to where we are now.
Oh, okay.
Which is this happened in August last August last year.
So it means until you resigned.
Yeah.
Okay.
And sengithola this opportunity now angikwazi nakhona ngiqhubeke and present this show because nayo into eyingxoxo because now I'm joining EDA now as a communications manager. I would have done it mhlawumbe kolunye uhlobo lohlelo, but now it was going to be complicated because how do I attend to political matters at EDA on the show that I'm doing? It wasn't going to work. Babe nginankinga bona in the office. In fact ayizange kusafika nalapho. Babe nginankinga kodwa ukuthi I can do both. I mean now I'm going to resign that side when they gave me that opportunity. Kwaba ngikuthola umsebenzi nje okujwayelekile khona. Angilandwanga isekhaya. Sure.
Sicela ugqoke your analyst hats now. Lo wazo wakho wayebhala ngama shows. Sibheke ku April. Emsakazweni ke isikhathi lesi abantu abaningi abalindele ukubona ukuthi ngabe imsakazo izokwenza ziphi inhlelo. I mean ushintsho uyinguquko. We just want to know your thoughts on radio. Ku radio njengamanje. Maybe we can start with Metro FM. What are your thoughts on Metro FM? Are there any changes you're expecting to happen?
Ngizoba mfishane empendulweni zami wena Ntobe. Because ngiyakutshelile eqaleni ngathi angithi now we have changed. Uzowakha obe nesikhathi owayenesikhathi sokulalela iradio cisha yonke radio station ekhona akasakwazi ukwenza lokho manje. There's platforms that I don't listen to anymore. The one you're asking me about is one of them.
You don't listen to them?
No.
Okay.
Personal reasons. I'm into talk radio. I listen to that a lot throughout his card. Mangtoli card, I listen to that. That's what I listen to. I would listen to SAFM Kakhulukazi. I would listen to nezigaba lezi zibakhona kwamanye ama radio stations ezihamba ngezingxoxo. I listen to Ikakasi for their segment yeah. Naso Khosini ngenza the same thing as well. So I don't listen to much of radio anymore.
Sure.
But my view is radio, I'm gonna put this across to all platforms as well, not certain radio stations.
Okay.
Radio in a challenge enkulu manje mfana kithi ukuthi sinama options amaningi of not listening to radio. So how do you then bring back people or convince me to go back and listen to radio when I have these setups and now where I listen ngesikhathi engifuna ukulalela ngaso? Rewind, fast forward. Why must I listen to radio? Nakhona so uyikho lokho ukuthi nayo nalawe ngisho ngithi nawo ngiyawalalela the talking platforms. Ngoba nakhona I have this particular interest because I need to know what's happening okwendaba.
Sure.
Uyabo. So in a sense ngidriver umsebenzi mhlambe uma mhlambe phela ngabe ngisayilaleni nje radio. Mhlambe ukube angiyenzi lo msebenzi engiwenza lo kuba i-communications manager ye province ngabe mhlambe ngaba ngilalela i-radio. Ayikho into engibizayo in short. Ayikho into ethi mina zoakha go listen to that platform. Ngilalela I do appointment listening nalokho engine interest yakho in particular. Other than that I don't listen. Even in my previous station lesebengisebenza kuzo I don't listen.
Yo.
Ngilalela nje ngoba mhlambe ngikonzekile ngathola isikhathi mhlambe mangifuna ukuzwa uNevo in the evenings or mhlambe mangukuthi nami kunabantu bami abalapho then I would listen. Kakasi I don't listen except for lolahlelo lapho lo ingxoxo ngoba have a particular interest. When driving to work nje kuyenzeka ngisuke ngihlula ke nje but I don't listen to them. I don't listen. So, do
you think there are many Zoakas there out there, you know, people who used to listen a lot to radio who have grown that disinterest, if I may put it that way?
I think so too, I think so too. We are now exposed to other platforms that makes it easier for us to listen to them than radio. I have nothing really. Etinje was olalela. Radio station. Ayikho into. Man. Engibizayo.
So would you agree with someone who says the future of radio is under threat? Not unless those who are the captains of that industry begin to change the way they think.
Definitely, 100%. Or else it's not going to work. It's not going to work. But wonke radio stations manje abawalink on the digital available platforms. Other than that, it's not going to happen. Ulalela ngoba uphoqa ukuthi mhlawumbe usendleleni nakhona mhlambe ngidlalela umculo at times, just that I'm not a music person as well. Ngithanda ukulalela la kukhulunywa khona. So i-radio uzogcina ilalela ngoba naku sokusemotweni, driving home mhlambe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or driving out of home 10 minutes, 15 minutes lo emsebenzini. But my point is, ayikho into ethi hey Zwakha uzongilalela on any of these platforms akhona emsakazo. I don't have that, because even when catching up mhlawumbe ngokuthi kukhulunywani or kukhulunyweni kwi social media ukuthi kwenzekeni on a certain radio station, you hardly get izinto izothi mhlawumbe ke angiphinde ngiqhubeke ngibaphe ithuba. Ayikho nje engibiza. In short nje mina abadusho nje abashintsha indlela yokwenza or else
That's an
ngokubuza nje umbuzo owodwa manje ukuthi mhlambe none you will be uncomfortable to speak on this. Do you have umuntu ongathi is your go-to person manje uthi kodwa Nkosi yami angifuni ukuphutha lo hlelo likabani?
I do.
Unenhlanhla loyo. Unenhlanhla loyo. Angizukubuza ukuthi ubanike, but ke we no longer have such things. When a few years back you would know ukuthi ay angifuni ukuphutha lo hlelo labani. No, I have to listen. Noma ezokusanganela nje kodwa kwakunaleyo nto. Yabo ukuthi they had that power yaradio ngaleso sikhathi yabo, and you enjoy it for whatever reason you're listening to. You'd enjoy it and you would know what this is my go-to guy. Angifuna ukuyilalela umsakazo. I don't have that now.
That's an answer I did not expect.
Yeah.
It's an answer I didn't expect because this is Zwakha Mbatha. Someone sasifunda ama articles wakhe ekhuluma nge-radio. So it's someone esimazi ukuthi uyawuthanda umsakazo.
Dearly
so. For me, it speaks to. I don't subscribe to the notion that radio is under threat, but I do believe that it needs to evolve, it needs to change and find ways. But ukuzuzo wakhe khuluma kanje ngenza ngithi maybe radio is under threat. Because I mean someone that really loved radio, noyazi radio, ukuzu usho kanje, I just think that's shocking. I didn't expect it.
Unfortunately, the era esikuyona manje, it gives us options enza kube lula for thina ukuthi silalele lokho esifuna futhi ukukulalela. Ngeke ngilalele umuntu angifuni ukungisanganela kodwa nje uzongisanganela yabo, and you getting out of that platform yabo. There's nothing really ukuthi hey mhlambe ngaxoxa ngayo uma ngihlala nomunye umuntu ngisengaxoxa ngayo ukuthi hey mzwile ubani thini. We used to have such things, those moments where bakhona abantu who are big brains bayalalelwa yilabo abalalela for whatever reasons, but from my end I'm not interested.
Yeah.
Wazophoxela.
I didn't expect it. I didn't expect it. I think let's call it a day. You're a communications manager, manje, for the DA, Democratic Alliance. Just in case someone is wondering, we keep saying DA. What are you talking about? We've seen a lot of radio people making that move. Upuma emsakazweni or TV or a journalist or manage communication for political parties and government departments. Why that move?
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngaphezulu kwakho konke either those principles bakahulumeni or principles of amaqembu lawo epolitiki kuyiwona agcina esiqashini basuke benenkolelo yokuthi you will add value because of where you come from, you understand the space better. Communication yabo hulumeni na amaqembu epolitiki is also your understanding of media, basically getting them platforms kumele basube naleyo nkolelo nalelo themba ukuthi if we have umuntu osebenze kule mboni kuzosebenzela kangcono thina. That's why we're seeing this move. But sekuyiminyakana kwaqala kwenze. But mhlambi questions engabe ukuthi yakhulukazi for abantu abasebasha in the broadcast space. I think questions engabe ukuthi is it a wise move now? More say fresh, say Moshe, and you still want to make a career out of ukusakaza. Or once we are associated with a certain political party or a principal of a certain department, leyo association yakho ayikwenze ukuthi kube lula ukuthi omunye ongahambisani with that association yakho akwazi ukuthi akunike ithuba lokuthi angakulalela yini. So you get frustrated la uyakhona, you wanna go back to umsakazo mhlawumbe usenalo ithuba ngoba usemncane usafuna nokukhula within yona broadcast industry. Kuzoba lula yini ukwamukeleka kwakho uma usuphuma ekusebenzeleni
iqembu elithile
lepolitiki or ukusebenza obviously lika minister or MECitizen who is a leader or a member of a certain political party, because as much as nakhona uqasho uhulumeni but you are associated to a certain individual. Yebo. So usazokwazi ukuthi ubuyeka kuthiwe no, I'm better, there's an opportunity for you, ikakhulukazi for people that are interested on air stuff kuthi uzafuna ukuya emoyeni. Yebo. I wouldn't say it's a wise move. Okay. But uma ukuthi uyazi ukuthi angisena interest nje ne radio mina, definitely go for it, make the opportunity even. Part of the reasons why nami nga sort of kwabo kube transition ekulula ukuthi ngingena kuyona and to maneuver around it ukuthi uhlala ukuphila kulokade ngisho ke radio ukuthi akusena interest, yabo. I'm no longer interested in that platform. So angiboni futhi ukuthi kusekhona into engakwazi ukuthi ngibe contributor on that platform. I've done ngikwazi ukuthi ngikwenze as much as ukuthi kungazange kufike to call it big institutions or very big institutions, but I'm glad and happy that I've achieved what I have achieved, or I've done what I did in the past few years within the radio industry. Angiboni ukuthi ngisenayo interest khona, sengaba umlingo ngempela. Yeah. Ungathi ungiphindisela khona, hayi sengaba umlingo. Nophela mhlambe mathiwa ngiyofuna itoho ngempela sengixaka impilo. Other than that nje na.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's call it a day. But EDA, we remember well subscriber to subscriber to ama values at DA.
Oh yeah.
No mumsebenzi.
Angikwazi angithi mina ngiqashiwe mfethu as a communications manager.
Yes.
So khona ezinye izinto ongakwazi ukuthi uyikhulume, and partly okunye kwakho lokho angikwazi ukuthi mina ngikhulume ngizogcina sekuba ne-expectation ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizokwazi ukuthi ngikhulume on behalf of iqembu.
Sure.
Yeah. Fortunately iqembu engisebenza kulona manje EDA ayi-associate i-position yakho njengoba kwenza emaqenjini amaningi ukuthi you are expected to be a spokesperson of iqembu, uyabo. So khona akukho lokho. So yeah, but we happy where we are, and yes, I am a member.
Thank you so much, my brother, for coming through. It was so insightful. There's so much that came out of this interview. We truly appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Jensen. Good luck. Platform and
it's been Podcast Radio and Stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Please go comment, share this video, like. Bye-bye.